Hi there, I'm Cathi Barker from Software Solutions, and you're looking at one of a collection of videos on Microsoft Outlook that go with my Microsoft Outlook course. What I'm looking at this stage are our people or our contacts in Outlook. And we looked at an earlier video how you create new contacts, but now I want to look at these two buttons. How do we create a new contact group? So a contact group is a board of trustees or a group of growers or some suppliers. It's a particular group of people that you want to be able to email that group easily without having to remember every individual person who's part of that group and add them to the email to field. So to create a group, let's say that I've got a steering group, I'll go new contact group, and I'll just bring this into view. And here is my new contact group, and I'm giving it a name. So I'm going to call it steering group. And at this point, I decide who are the members of this group. So I can add members either from my contacts in Outlook and or from my address book, or even create a new email contact on the fly. I'm just going to choose my Outlook contacts, and I'm going to say that it is Joe, Satcher, Mary, and myself who I want as members. So I'm going to choose members and OK. And so I've added these 4 members to this group. So I go save and close. What we have here is a steering group appearing in our contacts. Now your contacts may appear different to mine, and that is because there's a number of views or ways that you can view your people or your contacts. I've got mine on the current view, which is people, but you might have, for example, business card. And if you have business card, then you get this sort of little picture, which indicates that there's 2 or more people, and this is actually a group. So if I then need to email this group, what I can do is drag this group straight to my inbox. And if I do that, it immediately creates a new email that is addressed to all of those people. I can, if I want to, hit the plus to expand the group. If I rest on the group, it tells me who the members are. But if I hit the plus, it will expand it, and I'll go OK. It means I can't collapse it again. And these are the members of that group. And if I wanted to, for whatever reason, exclude somebody from this email, I could then just delete them. Because I can't collapse it again, I would just simply wipe them all out and maybe type steering in here, and then I'll put the steering group back in again. So it used to be called a distribution list many years ago, and it's now called a contact group. And it is when you want to easily email a group of people and not have like 50 different emails appearing in the to field or the CC field. So that's quite a good thing. I'm going to close out of here. Save no. Now, the other thing that we've got in Outlook is, besides new contact and new contact group, is a new group. Now, a new group is more tied up with Office and Teams and other applications. A new group is when you want to create a group name, and then that group gets an email address. So you're not identifying each of the individuals who belong to that group. You're actually making an email address that everybody in that group can use to email everybody. I hope that makes sense. So give the group a name, give the group an email address, and then start using that email address whenever you want to talk to that entire group of people. It's tied up with Office, Microsoft Office groups. Okay. With those groups, of course, you get other things such as a place to share files and a calendar and stuff like that sort of thing. Okay. All right, we've also looked at different ways that you can view. You can view your contacts as a cards, as phone list, as just a list, or as people. My preference really is business card, and so that's what I'm going to put it on. Come back for another video about what we can do with contacts. See you soon.